welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about the possibility of aliens and extraterrestrial life. For centuries, people have been wondering if we are alone in the universe. With the vastness of space, it seems unlikely that Earth is the only place where life has evolved. But what do we actually know about the existence of aliens? Well, there have been numerous reported sightings of unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, throughout history. However, many of these sightings can be explained by natural phenomena or human-made objects. There have also been claims of alien encounters and even alleged abductions, but these accounts are often difficult to verify and are met with skepticism by the scientific community. In recent years, there have been some interesting findings that suggest the possibility of life on other planets. For example, scientists have discovered exoplanets, planets outside of our solar system, that may have conditions suitable for life. Additionally, the discovery of microbial life on Mars by the Mars rover Curiosity in 2020 has sparked more speculation about the possibility of past or present life on the red planet. Despite these exciting developments, it's important to remember that the search for extraterrestrial life is still in its early stages, and we have much more to learn. In conclusion, while we don't have definitive proof of the existence of aliens, it's not outside the realm of possibility. The search for life beyond Earth is an exciting and ongoing area of scientific exploration, and who knows what we might find in the future. Thanks for watching. Do you believe in the possibility of extraterrestrial life? Let us know in the comments below.